G'day everyone, welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to be installing some new Autobeam LED dip beams. These are the H7s. Basically one of the old ones, one of the LEDs blew. Contacted Autobeam, very quickly sent me out a replacement, but because I had the old style, which is this style, so I can't tell if it's got 1 or 4 LEDs in that with like a bulb. It's like a blob on it. They'd just changed after I bought those to this style. So this has got 4 LEDs on it, on each side, all in a line. So they were really awesome in sending those out quick. So I'm going to swap them over today. It's going to be the same process as the last video, and then we'll do some driving and see how they compare. To remove the headlight, get your Phillips head. You want to unscrew this. This is like a push clip with a screw through it. And then wiggle that up a little bit because you want to pull that out. So now that that's free, what you want to do is get your T30 Torx. Unscrew that one. Move up to the top. You want to unscrew this one. Now, down in here, you've got your main wiring harness for the headlights. There's a little push button on there. You want to push that in and just wriggle your wiring harness off. It's ready. There's a plastic clip on the underside of it. You want to grab it, pull it up and out. Give it a wriggle, and out she comes. With your headlight now out, all you need to do is get your wiring free. So you've got a bit of room, grab the fan part and just give it a bit of a wriggle. You see you've got these little pins that sort of clamp it in, and your little tab, when you put the other one back in, your little tab at the top will go into one of those like that. So with the new bulb now, you can see that you've still got the flat edge with the little single tab that sits up. That just fits straight back in the way the other one came out. In there nice and solid. And then plug it in. And that's it. When you get up to your car, you might want to tuck these in so that they're nice and neat, and then you'll have your rubber cap. If you're buying the headlight globes separate, you do need to purchase the extended rubber cap separate as well. Reinstallation is pretty easy. I find if you locate this corner first, you've got a tab that's attached to the headlight here. Slide that under there. This tab slides on top of this panel. Underneath here, with the headlights out, you'll see there's some weird like knobbly bits. They need to go underneath the lip of the bumper. This up the top needs to locate in here with this underneath the side panel, and right down under there is hidden. You can see it with the light out. There's a white clip, and there's a plastic part that comes down off the bottom of the headlight and slots into that clip. So then once you're done, you do your T30, Phillips head, and always remember to plug in your wiring harness just down here. With this headlight out, it's easier to see this clip now. This is what actually secures the headlight down and in place, as well as all your locating bolts that go in here. So we'll fit this one back in, we'll have a look at it in the daytime, what the new ones look like, and then we'll go for a drive. Nice confirmation that both are working. That's always good.
example of night driving with standard headlights. These are the low beams, the dip beams. I wanted to do something before I fit the new LED dip beams. Just wanted to come for a drive. I've got one of the older style LED dip beam headlights in there, and I've also got a standard bulb as well. So I just wanted to give a comparison of what they're like driving. I'm not sure what the camera's picking up, but for me, as the driver, the standard beam, the standard globe is actually giving a better light across the road, and I feel more confident seeing what's in the light of the standard bulb. Although going around corners like this, very sharp corners, the LED bulb seems to give better light to the side of the road, so I feel like going around a bend I can see better with the LED to the left than what I can with the standard bulb to the right. So I'm not sure if the camera's actually picking that up, because it might just pick up the brighter light, especially being a GoPro. They're not that great in low light. These are the new LEDs. So these are the ones with the 4 LED on each side all in a line, and I can't believe the difference between these and the older style LEDs that I've just taken out. So the old style just had the one, and I found the light spread wasn't very consistent, wasn't very good, whereas these ones are a nice solid light spread from left to right, and there's no problem whatsoever seeing in front of me coming down here. So whether I just had a dodgy batch of bulbs, or whether this new revised design is a lot better than the old design, yeah, I think it's safe to say I'm extremely happy with these. These are what I expected the first time. So if you are looking at upgrading to LED, these newer style auto beams, which are the only ones that they sell now, they're definitely worth it. Very easy to see, very easy to drive, and yeah, I'm really happy with these. These are brilliant. And there you have it. My faith in LED headlights has been restored. The older design that I had, the light spread was quite scattered. I found it hard to see a lot of the time if cars were behind me or oncoming, whereas with this new design, the light spread's very solid across the road. From left to right, you can see in front of you, no problems whatsoever. And it's night and day, bad pun, but night and day difference between the old design and these ones. So all in all, I'm very, very happy with these ones. I'll see how they go in the wet, see how they go in the fog, but you know, this is what I'd hoped for the first time I did one of these videos, and what I'd hoped for from the first design of the LED. So alright, thanks for watching guys. Leave a comment, hit up Autobeam, there's a link down in the description if you want these headlights. But yeah, cheers for watching, thanks.